Are you looking for the best budget gas grills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best budget gas grills that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5. Megamaster 720s and 804 propane gas grill. This grill just looks mean and I love it. This menacing looking grill from Megamaster is fantastic value for money, largely owing to 2 key factors. It's massive and it's powerful. It's one of the largest grills on this list, and if cooking area size is important to you, then this might be the best option for you. It has 543 square inches of cooking space. That's not all though, as it also has a 210 square inch warming rack, giving you a total of over 750 square inches of cooking area. But for me, the size isn't the most impressive thing about the Megamaster. Oh no. What's most striking is its mightily impressive 54,000 BTUs of power, shared between a generous 6 burners. That is a mighty amount of power to cram into a budget grill. But the Megamaster does it easily, and then some. Just like the 2 grills above, it has an easy-to-use electronic ignition system to help get things going quickly and without fuss. Also, just like the other grills, it has porcelain-coated grates to help with cooking heat efficiency and durability. Not just that though, but it has porcelain flame tamers which help protect the burners themselves from wear and run off from the meat. Just like its appearance might suggest, this is an extremely durable piece of equipment. Unfortunately, the grill doesn't have a side burner, so if a quick means of searing your meat without disturbing your grill is key, then you might want to look elsewhere. At number 4. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Traveler delivers remarkably good performance for a portable grill. Its pop-up cart design is intuitive to use and approachable for all cooks. Assembly took about 15 minutes for one person with no issues interpreting the instructions, though a second look at them before starting never hurts. The Traveler has enameled cast iron grates, presenting no notable sticking problems during our tests. It has a single, circular burner that provides even heating across the grill, and we noted no hot or cool spots. The single control knob was easy and intuitive to use, also with a smaller dome-shaped lid. This grill presented one of the most accurate readings of grill temperatures from the built-in thermometer of all the models tested. Cleaning was a simple task, and bracing the stand with your foot should minimize any grate movement when brushing. At number 3, Cuisinart CGG 750 Portable Gas Grill. When you show up to the barbecue or tailgate with a Cuisinart venture, people might think you've got a lunchbox or cooler. But this compact grill has a clever design that packs plenty of power into a small and easy-to-transport container. Its 1-pound propane cylinder clips into the bottom section, with the short-legged grill itself in the middle, plus a wooden cutting board serving tray on top and a large, comfortable handle to carry everything. Since the venture doesn't have a domed lid, it's open to the elements during cooking, something that resulted in uneven temperatures from one side to the other in our testing. The mere 9,000 BTU burner managed to heat part of the cast iron grate well above 600 degrees Fahrenheit for great searing, but we recorded differences of more than 200 degrees from one side to the other. The non-stick coating on the grate was very effective, not holding on to the delicate fish we cooked at all, but one end of our steak wound up almost burnt as the other was perfectly medium rare. Your best bet to account for this is to turn and move the food frequently during cooking to even out the temperature. At number 2, Napoleon P500 RSIB 3. The Napoleon Prestige 500 was one of the most expensive gas grills we tested, and while it has an incredibly sleek design, its lab performance wasn't good enough to earn it a top spot on our rankings during the first round of testing. But our at-home tester loved it so much, we decided to reconsider. This grill has 500 square inches of cooking space over 4 main burners, and it also has a unique infrared sizzle zone side burner that gets extra hot, allowing you to char meat quickly. During testing, we found that the Napoleon Prestige 500 didn't respond as well as other grills to temperature changes, but mainly we struggled when it came time to clean the grill, as it's tough to remove debris and grease from underneath the burners. However, if ease of cleaning isn't your top priority, we think you should consider this grill for your next summer BBQ. At number 1. Weber Go Anywhere Gas Grill. The Weber Go Anywhere is a highly portable grill known for its compact size, lightweight, and affordability. Its unique design includes foldable legs that secure the lid for easy transportation. Despite its modest 500 BTU single burner, this grill can reach up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, providing excellent searing capabilities. The stainless steel grate helps reduce weight but doesn't hold heat as effectively as cast iron, resulting in temperature drops when the lid is opened. Therefore, it's best to cook with the lid closed. The grill operates on a standard 1-pound propane cylinder, which screws in at an angle. This setup requires the grill to be positioned on the edge of a table or surface to allow the tank to hang below the legs. Additionally, the control knob is next to the tank rather than on the front. With its low price and easy portability, the Weber Go Anywhere is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, especially those who enjoy fishing. It's convenient for grilling your catch right on the shore, riverside, or even on a boat. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.